All right, here we are. Looks a little different than the last time we were here. It was like end of last year. Let me show you. Got all that grass. But we're gonna drone us back over there. So let's get to it. So green. So the wire I'm trying to avoid is right there. So that path, I just won't go past that path. And then I have all of this area over here. So it's set up right here. Just wrapped up here. No horses disturbed, no downed riders, just killer shots made of this building back here. Some grass shots too. Stock footage. I'm trying. I need to try harder. I need to do, no try do. The other clip. Check out that horseman going for a walk with their loved one. Good times. 2 packs down, or 2 packs burned today. I feel like I'm definitely getting better at doing the center focus, pan, rotate, kind of like a orbit, but not quite that, but kind of like an orbit. So I feel like those skills are getting stronger, which are definitely needed, especially for larger buildings and homes and stuff, sculptures. Hope wherever you were, you had some time to get some flight time in. I hope wherever you were, you were able to get some flight time in today. Practicing makes perfect, right? Or at least you then realize that perfect's not possible and you turn out to be pretty good. All right. See you tomorrow, hopefully. Try to help somebody, but you don't have to.